Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Oh man, let's see what we get today. There's some people trickle in. Wow, guys, look at that rejection around 6. That was awesome. Hit my supply zone and just nuked down. That's insane. Almost 100 points. Yep, almost down 100 points from where my supply zone was. Let's look at the NQ. NQ's down a little bit this morning, and I kind of like that. Look at the hourly. Good morning, sweetheart. Jaden Trade is in the chat. Let me fix this chart for you guys. There we go. Okay. Just a reminder now, guys. Apex is now allowing you to trade gold again. So personally, I'm gonna be ripping some Apexes now that I can trade gold. They're arguably one of the better firms out of there. I mean, low evaluations costs other than the activation, but initial capital is very low, which I like with them. It didn't. Oh, it did go up. I think they're only 50% off right now. It's a nice day today, guys. It's 60 degrees outside. Yeah, I agree. Good morning, guys. Oh man, got the coffee going. Okay. So far on on gold, we're bouncing on the 61.8 retracement. If we can get below like this 46.93, I think we have room down to 72. So I will be watching that. If we do end up getting above like this 720, I will look for potential longs. And on NQ, what do I like on NQ? London. Where's our London high? Our London high is here at 29,250. Market just opened. CPI 630. What do we do on it? Honestly, it just went long. I'm gonna grab a bottle of water real quick. CPI is core price index. It's a gauge for the economy. We're bouncing at that 94.6 fib again on gold. What a field. What a field. Hold on. I think I gotta keep unplugging it and plugging it back in every morning. How does it sound now, Mr. Smith? Does it sound better? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this mic. I keep having to unplug it and plug it back in every morning. This one's a Shure 7, I believe. Not sure why it is the way it is. I do think we have a good chance of building back up for longs on NQ. Especially if we get above that 250 area. Yeah, we took a trade yesterday in New York, and then we took a trade yesterday in Asia session. Both slightly green. I would have to see, like, for longs, I would want to see, like, this above this 250 and hold. I have a feeling we'd be able to find a trade today with the orb. Gold's below 4,700. See if it can manage to stay below or above. No, I don't use NinjaTrader. I do use their app on my phone, though. Jaden gets back. He'll be back Thursday. So, Thursday morning he will be trading with you guys. I did okay. He's been gone since last Tuesday, so he's been gone for a week now. It hasn't been terrible with him being gone. It's been more difficult to trade, definitely. We were actually chatting about this the other day or yesterday. I told him since he left, if you look at the daily chart, he left on the last day he traded was the 4th. On the 4th, we closed at 27,743. And yesterday we hit 29,480. So NQ has gained since the close of when he traded last. NQ has gained a total of what? Here, look, I'll do it on here. Be easier. There's that bounce. So he left on the 4th. Okay. So call it right there. To that high, 480. It's gained a total of 1,700 points on NQ since he's been gone. He couldn't believe it. Well, we're bouncing on gold and bouncing on NQ. Now let's see if this is going to be a follow through or if we're just looking for liquidity. He is in Turks and Caicos in the Caribbean. He left me behind. We were talking about going to Mexico next month. You guys like the green fishing hat? Part of me wants to take longs, but I'm gonna wait. At least till we get above VWAP. We could reject hard off of VWAP right here on NQ. And then on gold, I'd like us to get above these EMAs. Nice, Jacob. I want to go to the Dominican Republic. So I know some of you guys trade an Asia session with me. For those who do, next week I'm gonna have a little bit more complicated week. Monday I have Brandon's confirmation, and I have to be there for that. So I probably will be streaming later, if not streaming. Tuesday I have a funeral, and then Wednesday I have my sister's continuation. So next week will be a little bit different with the hours that we're trading Asia. We'll probably end up doing it a lot later, if we end up doing it at all. To find you guys a good trade, I want these last 2 days to be bangers. He comes back on Thursday. I do trade Asia on TikTok. This is gonna be my handle. That's my TikTok. I have almost 20K followers. Feel free to give me a follow and turn those notifications on. Let me look at this higher time frame. Okay, guys, so we are starting to push pretty heavy. I would love to see a close on the 15-minute in this area. Above, preferably like 2 270. And then I would love to see a pullback to the London high, which would be here at this 250. This is our Asia low, Asia high up here. Look at the hourly. Do want to be cautious, because I know we got a fib somewhere right here. This 296, I want to be cautious with that. We do look like we want to set another all-time high though. I'm not in anything yet. What made my bias long is, one, we've been doing nothing but trending up, especially in the morning. I've been recognizing the pattern that we are just going nuclear long off open. And number two, we were holding this fib down here of like 29169.75. We were holding that area pretty well. We couldn't crack below it off open. So if you go down to like a 1 minute chart in this area, you go down to 1 minute, we couldn't crack like this 150 to like 170 area. We couldn't stay below it. We bounced off of it twice. There we go. We just closed. I wouldn't be surprised if we do run into some sellers here at 300. Yep. How's this music today, guys? Do you like this music better? I'm gonna watch this London high for a potential bounce or just pullback, like this 240 area. My stop loss would probably be, it'll be probably like 20 points or so, 20, 25 points. With the first take profit at 285. So risk to reward would be like a 1 to 2 on that first trim, and then if we could get up to that 40, it'll be a mega trade. At 340. Overall trend on the week is still up. Okay, we're getting to that level now. Alright guys, I'm going to try these longs with very light. I'm going to go in with 5 micros. Didn't get the best fill. I got filled at like 260. Starting to bounce off it. That was pretty fast, but it looks good for a continuation. I don't want to miss out on it. So, see if we get the continuation back up. Come on. Come on. No, wrong way. I am in light, guys. I'm only in 5 micros. We don't hold this 20, I'm going to get out. Oh, it's edging that 20. Alright, I'm out. Well, 450 on my funded. That was annoying. We were up like 15 points or so. Damn, that was fast. Did we get some type of news? I'm gonna look for re-entry. I think we might bounce off of these fibs here. We had a great wick off of that area. That's what gave me a better confirmation to take the longs. And we closed that 15-minute super strong. That looks like it was news. Looks like it wants to bounce. I'm gonna be patient. I don't see any news coming up. It was really just liquidity. Says that we have the Fed chair nomination vote. It doesn't give a exact time though. It says it's not supposed to be till Wednesday. What's gold doing? Gold's starting to get a little bit of a push down. Gold's kind of choppy right here though. We've been chopping since we technically opened gold at 6:15 my time, so gold looks like it wants to push consolidation to the downside. CPI was at 8:30 Eastern. Now it's gonna want to go. Not sure why we bounced right there. Really wanted to pull in. That was like the first deep pullback we've got off of long in the morning. We haven't got a pullback that deep in a while. Like if you look at, what day was this? Was this Friday? Yeah, Friday, no pullback. Thursday, no pullback in the morning. I guess he had some pullback on Wednesday. This market's being weird. I'm gonna sit on my hands and wait. One thing I do like gold. If we can get below like this 4690 and hold. I'm good, Mr. DOD. How are you doing? I'm not sure why they went up, but honestly, I would just wait. Don't get any accounts yet. That's what I'm doing. Jaden will be back on Thursday. He'll be ready and recharged to trade with you guys. He misses yous. He missed you guys. Mr. Jaden trades. The setup looked promising. Really thought we would have got that continuation back up. Market's just dying. Maybe we finally get that pullback. If you guys look at the 4 hour, I mean, we haven't got a pullback to the 21 EMA since last week. That could be something that we watch at like this 29.60 is where it's sitting right now. Mm-hmm. Eight o'clock. Whew! This coffee's kicking today. So we could try this orb here. Hold on, guys. I'm watching the shorts on this orb. Would have liked this to pull up a little bit more. Hold on. Damn. Happened a little too fast. If you caught it though, you would be up. Damn it. That happened in literally like 1 minute. Well, we missed that trade. Literally. Happened in like 1 minute. Came up, tested that 60 area, and then just started flushing. I am going to trade lighter, guys, today. Because we are moving fast. I'm trading M and Q, but we're watching NQ. Gold looks good for a short as well. Where's the 15-minute low? It's the 15-minute low right here. I don't like that we're holding this this Fibonacci retracement I have here. Not bad, Jonathan. Pretty good, dude. Damn it. Orb did work out well. One thing I didn't like is that we bounced off of that fib before we started pushing up. That's the only thing I didn't really like. I'm not sure. Is Trump still talking? Nice. Deanie Davis. We were just above VWAP as well too. Like I really thought we were gonna make that move up. Yeah, see, that was like the only thing about taking that orb is we bounced at that 61.8 retracement I have. This 61.8 retracement came from, let's see, from the other day's low. What day was this? The low on the 7th to the high of all-time high. Yeah, for real. Call it a day, legendary Valley. Tanner, well, that's what I recommend for you, fam. Want to see us tag that 8 email on the 5-minute. Yup, Mexican Jalen is still here until tomorrow's my last day. Last day is tomorrow. Honestly, I love you guys, but I'm ready to go back to trading New York by myself. Well, I'll still get on, like, I'll still be in the same room with Jadon. I'll hop on periodically. I'm sure you guys have seen me. But yeah. I like trading Asia session and talking to you guys better than this than New York session. I'm not sure what track this is. It's called She by Sans. I don't know. I just found something that's kind of neutral because a lot of people don't like my music. Yeah, I'll put my TikTok in the thing. That's my TikTok. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, well, we had a winner yesterday and we had a winner last night too. So obviously you're not showing up consistently. Going back to that AE email in the 5-minute. I think so too. Yeah, exactly. Fiction. I want to try some shorts right here. Alright guys, I'm going to try some shorts right here. Same size, 5 micros. If I lose this trade, I'm going to call it a day. My stop will be above. I got filled at what, 7 70. My stop would be above like this 9.3. So a little bit bigger of a stop, but willing to risk it. I'll let you know when I stop out. Come on. The setup looks good. Come on, don't do this to me. Not out yet. If we crack 9.5, I'm gonna get out. I have a hard stop there. I just put it. Didn't stop me out yet. Wants to. Oh my god. Well, I got stopped out. That's all I'm taking, guys. My setups are just not working today. I'm gonna walk away, and yeah, that's it. That pisses me off. That setup looked good. Both my setups today looked good. They followed my strategy. Just wasn't working. Yeah, I mean, I agree. Grizzly hasn't had the best 2 weeks either. But it happens. I mean, trading is never going to be consistent. If you have those expectations, maybe you shouldn't get into trading, you know? I take a max of 3. If I have 2 losers, I'll be done. Not bad. Sucks, but what can you do? I would have took those setups many times over. Yep. 3 trades max. If I lose 2, then I'm just done on the day. If you win 3 trades, yeah, I'm usually done. It depends. So if I have one, decent winner of like 30, 40 points, then I could take another one, technically with my system and my plan. But if I take like a 100-point winner, I'm just done for the day automatically. All right, guys. I'm going to hop off. I will see you guys tomorrow, last stage, and then we'll be back on Thursday. Have a good day, guys.